So this address, this is a CIDR address. This is also IPv4. So this CIDR doesn't look different. It is just like a normal IP address. Just the difference is it ends with a slash which is followed by a number. So the number which is coming after the slash, what it is representing? It is saying you the number of addresses in that range. So this IPv4 we are talking about, it is 32-bit address. This also CIDR is also a 32-bit address. And it also has a special number which represent the number of bits that are present in a block ID. For example, A, let me write it here, A.B.C.D and then slash a number n. And this n is what? This is the number of bits that are present in your block ID or network ID. You can call it as a network address, but we don't call it here. This is a network address only. That is, these are the number of ones, 12 number of ones are to be placed from left, and then the network address is to be computed or determined. Let us consider an example. The example is 123.45.67.89/12. Now this IP address contains two groups. What are the two groups? The first part from here to here, this is called the network prefix. This is a binary configuration of our network address because this is a decimal number, right? Dotted decimal form. IPv4 is represented like that only. But this is called as the binary configuration of the network address, and the /12 is called as the suffix. And this is indicating how many bits, how many number of bits are in the entire CIDR address. So we'll also take an example just now. But before that, this is IPv4 123.45.67.89. What do we do? Inside it is converted into binary, and these binary numbers are ANDed and ORed in order to compute the network address, the subnet ID and the other things like the broadcast ID. So you need to go to a network and then you have to find out how many hosts or what is the host ID. So IPv4 addresses are 32 bits long. From this example or this consideration, we have how many? 12. The first 12 bits, it is representing the network address. So the first leftmost bit, or you can say here it will contain 2 octets. So 11111111 and 1111. That is 4 11 in a combination called as 12 bits. So in all it is 12 bits. The others will be for the other purpose, but this is for the network address. The 12 bits, the 12 11 bits. So if you have 32-bit address, it is, and you subtract this 12 from that, what do you get? You get 20 bits, and this remaining 20 bits, they are representing how many host addresses are available. For this example, it is quite huge. So you have a network, and when you make a CIDR, that is, it is always pointing to only one network, one subnet, right? So 2 to the power 20, these hosts can be there. So every network by default has only one subnet containing all host addresses. Okay. So this subnetting, that is dividing into another parts of the subnet, is done by the network administrators.